Sellers are asked to do a lot in their meetings. They've got to remember everything the customer's talking about, everything about their products or services, and be able to formulate that in a clear and concise way to be able to effectively compete in the market. And sometimes sellers just want to be able to phone a friend or ask their AI companion to be able to give them some help to be able to guide them through the process. Part of that is capturing all the information that's being said, but the other part of it is pairing that with valuable information in order to be able to help them compete better. Let's take a look at how AI Companion helps with this. So inside of a Zoom meeting, you can turn on AI Companion. When you do that, this side panel opens and you're able to engage with the transcript. So for example, if I wanted to ask a question like what topics have been discussed, this is going to allow me to be able to capture all the information that in this case, my prospect is saying in order to be able to ensure that I have all the documented information that I need in order to be able to make a recommendation. So in this case, the customer has walked through a number of different requirements that they have for their particular hologram technology that they're looking at. So now I can ask questions like, what are some of the detailed requirements that the prospect is looking for out of a product like this? And again, I can get additional, more specific requests, more information. In this case, it's just going to pull back all the specific details that has been shared in this particular meeting. Now, I can go a little bit deeper, like ask questions, what sort of vendors is this particular prospect looking at in terms of other holographic technology that's out there, right? And of course, we can get that information surfaced in detail and get what we need in order to be able to make a recommendation. Now, again, this is still a lot of information. So I've got to take everything I know about our products and then everything that this particular prospect is saying. So what I'd like to be able to do is use AI to be able to build the bridge between our internal product information and what the customer or prospect's telling me about their requirements. And I do that by selecting this plus sign called Apps and Collections. It's a part of Custom AI Companion, and this is the ability to be able to create knowledge collections. So here we're going to go to ABC Products and Compete. And I'm going to ask a prompt like, based on the conversation so far, what product should I even recommend? And it's using all the information that's been extracted from the transcript and all the information that's contained within this knowledge collection, and it's going to make a recommendation. In this case, it's recommending the ABC 2000, which is our next evolution holographic communication technology. And you can see it gives justification as to why it's in fact recommending the ABC 2000 over the ABC 1000. And this is a really nice summary of sort of some of those key benefits. But maybe I want to go more specific into those benefits. So again, by referencing the ABC products, I can ask maybe what are the top 3 benefits of the ABC 2000 that are specific based on the requirements to this particular customer. And you can see it gives us the 3 benefits, sort of what the why behind those key benefits that this particular customer is asking for. Now up here, we did ask about their other vendors, what they're looking at. So let's take this Smith Tech and we'll ask, again, to the knowledge collection, we'll say, help me compete against the Smith Tech 3000 and better position the ABC 2000. And it'll, again, use the information. In this case, we have some competitive insight in this knowledge collection to understand sort of why we're competing and how we're competing against this particular product. And it walks through, in this case, key competitive advantages, the user experience superiority, the pricing advantage that we're going to have over the Smith Tech, and ultimately walks me through line by line some of the key benefits and competitive advantages we have on our product over, in this case, the Smith Tech. So again, what we're doing here is taking information that is built within a knowledge collection. And that knowledge collection can be through the use of uploading documents or syncing to documents that are already in things like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, and utilizing those documents real time in the meeting but paired with the information that we're discussing real time. That's structured data with unstructured data to be able to pull out better insights and make better decisions and be more effective in our approach.